Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iTunes not detecting iPhone in Windows 11. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would assume that you already tried the simple fixes or basics, okay? You tried to swap the USB cable, you restarted your phone as well as your computer, okay? So the next method right here that I would like for you to try is just go ahead over to your start menu, right click on it and click on device manager. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and find portable devices. If you can't find it right here, well, that means it is not connected to your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my USB cable, okay, from my computer to my iPhone device. Now, as you can see here, my device manager, I should now be able to see portable devices right here. Okay, so as you can see, we now have iPhone. But now, once you have it in here, just right click on it, click on uninstall device, uninstall, wait for it to disappear. And once it disappears, unplug the USB cable from your phone, then just plug it back in. All right, and it will then go ahead and reinstall the driver by itself. Okay, as you can see here. So once that's done, go ahead and try to open up iTunes, and it should work now. All right. Do not forget to go to account right here, authorizations, authorize this computer, and then just go ahead and sign in with your Apple ID. Now, if that still will work, if you do have Apple Music, say for example, you have Apple Music, uninstall this one, as well as Apple TV. Okay, if you have these applications installed on your computer. So you can just right click on your start menu again, click on installed apps, and just find the applications right here. If you can find Apple Music or Apple TV, click on three dots, uninstall it. Okay, and once that's done, you should be good to go. That's how simple it is to fix iTunes not detecting your iPhone in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.